Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am playing Train Simulator. Train Thingamajig, what you want to call it. That's the Amtrak right there. And later I will derail a train. I would like to say thanks to my brother, Dewey, for watching this. And yeah. Well, let's get into the video. So, today I'm going to be driving an Amtrak. Oh wait, I have to watch an ad to get 20 plus 20. These games are so funny. I'm jiggling. Let me get a push. He's jiggling. Build 3D. Build a 3D. I like that. My final call is going to be this one. Then the Amtrak. Spawning in reverse. I'm spawning this in reverse. So I can get a regular Amtrak. And I have 0 points. It sounds nice. And also the people who made this game, thank you for adding an update. I really love it. New train car, I love it. I don't like how the door is all the way up, so that doesn't match this one either. You can see the top of the door a little bit. I'm just running. Alright, here's the other end of this Amtrak. Here's the other end of the Amtrak. I think there's that end of the Amtrak. So now we have a full Amtrak. We are going to press climb aboard. Ooh, there goes the button. Oop. Oh yeah, I like that horn. It's good. Alright, here we go. Amtrak number 1. We got Amtrak number 2 in the back. Wow, I did pretty good with the Amtrak job customizing. I like it like this. Let you turn down the volume, please. Wait, is that something on the train tracks? I'm putting my brakes on. Is it turned? Okay, it's turned. Okay, I have a remote on, so I don't want this train to derail because that would be bad. 140 in the station right now. Okay, here comes the end of this. I hope that is not at the switch. Is it toning? Oh, please don't let it be toning. Oh yeah, those are the update right there. Hey, brakes are on. I'm just gonna check here if it's on switch.
Oh, excuse me.
So, alright, we are good. Mostly good. The Amtrak has to wait. The Amtrak has to actually wait until the other train moves here. Yeah, it's actually not that. Alright, the game is super laggy because this is whining. My okay. Has to go up a little. Here's the front of the train over there. Alright, we gotta put it right here. That looks so cool. Pulling up right next to another freight train where it stopped. Okay. That's exit. Okay, the game. This looks so cool. Just look at it. Oh my gosh. The Amtrak is not expecting this train to come at this time. But the train has to go. Goodbye, train. Here comes the Amtrak. No, the Amtrak is over. Oh, that's the back of that. It's this one. There's that side of the train. That Amtrak's gonna stay there. Like this one. Oh shoot. I did not mean to get out. Okay, I'm going to the front. I want to experience what is it like in Falls Paws and passing a train. Okay, I just want to experience this, okay? Don't judge me. I want to learn how it's like in first person like this. What's it like? Cool. This train has to leave the station. Copper doesn't need to come. Copper doesn't go with you guys. Okay, Tony sound. Okay, I'm going to set this train goodbyes. I just now I can go drive this train. Oh, these cars are crying over there. Oh, I'm getting so close. The cars are just making me lag a little. Oh, this is a supreme speed. Oh, that will make it stop. I should not have done that. Oh, it's fun. Okay, guys, keep an eye out for a train. I'm in the CSX. Did it turn? No way it could have turned. I wonder if it passed this whole entire area right here. What's that? That's probably a tunnel, right? Yeah, that's a tunnel. Is it a tunnel? No, it looks like a train. It's a train! Oh no! Oh no. I smacked it. Well, that's a train crash, folks. A pretty big one. And now I need the cleanup crew to come. That's bad. This is bad. Okay, I need to disengage these two right here. These two are fine, by the way. Uncouple and uncouple. And also it says idle leave train. Anyway, let's look at this. Oh, I did not know that was gonna be a train. Technically, I put it there, but why did I even let it stop? Oh wow, this is huge. This is gonna be very bad for the back. If the back derails, then I cannot skip home. Oh my gosh. I hope a big freight train doesn't come on the side. Okay, it looks like this train's going away now. Alright, there goes the train. He's leaving the station. Alright. Oh wait, he's just... What is he doing? What is he doing? What is he doing? Eee! It crashed? Holy, this AVR is on the... Holy cow. Developers, can you please add a car, like a construction vehicle, where you can put on the tracks, like a tow, if the derailment is there? Can you please fix this? It's really too cool of a mess. That's really too cool. You guys did a really good job on the window. Okay, now the trains can see me. Oh my gosh. This is bad. Oh jeez. There's a train car right here. Oh, what happened up here? I did not see what's going on. My AVR is damaged. Holy cow, this one's on its side. I like it. Can you please add some tipping physics? Please add physics to the game. I'm inside. Kinda inside. It's pushing me out, kinda. Whoa! I just went flying. Did you guys see that? Look. I'll do it again. Ready? Okay, I'm going up to this area here. I'm gonna go fleeing. Ready? Any second now. Any second. Come on, I did it. Wait, guys, I'm actually inside the train now. No, it moved. I can't believe it just flashes into this. This is bad. I forgot to put the lights. Whoa. The engine's actually off. The engine was... Well, I think that's gonna end it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. And please, do not do this. It's only just for fun in video games. Do not do this in real life. Alright, see ya.